We are out here going to track down a leak for these customers, and we just kind of want to show you all how we do it, so that way we can educate you a little bit and show you how we, find these kinds of problems on the daily. Good. Let's just take a look at the spot inside first. Okay, it was in this back corner.
Right in that seam. See it? You see the?
Oh yeah. Yep.
So it was basically just about, I don't know, 6 inches long.
Yeah, now it's kind of traveling.
Yeah.
So basically, pipe boots are kind of meant to last about 5 years. Any year past that, you're lucky. You know, some people sometimes they'll have a pipe boot on there for 10 years, but they're the first thing that kind of needs to be replaced before, the roof. Like just because the pipe boot's leaking doesn't mean your roof is
the whole roof.
Exactly. Okay. So especially with the roof only being 6 years old. So yeah, let me just figure out which pipe boot it is. I will also take a look at the other pipe boots, because then if you're interested, we can maybe look at swapping out a few of them so you don't have these problems in the future. Yeah. All right. Well, I see a decent amount of heads
up there.
Yep, I see the switch. So the only question is whether I'm going to be able to get like all the way to that side of the house, but we are about to find out.
Be careful.
You gonna come up here-ish or? So what I'm going to do is I will get up on the roof and see if the problem, what I'm anticipating is probably just a hole in your pipe boot. So if I can't see anything that stands out, then we'll kind of re-evaluate what we need to do up here. Just because that can kind of happen. Someone can come through, and especially if they can't see it and you can't see it, now it's just this imaginary problem in your head, and they can kind of fill in the picture for you.
Yeah.
So of course they're going to try and tell you like, oh, it's probably molded and you need to just get a whole new roof because you have one pipe boot that's leaking, So unfortunately this industry, because roofs, they have a lifespan, usually they don't need to be replaced for, in
30 years.
15, 20, 25, 30, like that's the range. And if it's only been 6 years, he's just trying to turn it from a simple pipe boot to roofing. But we're family and veteran owned, so we do things a lot differently. We're very honest. And some roofing companies, they make all of their money doing business with, just like individual homeowners. So it's a little more important for them to turn this into a sale. But with us, we actually help build a lot of the neighborhoods around here. So we're not paying our bills based off turning these little pipe boot leaks into new roofs or things like that. So it just allows us to operate like a lot more transparently and stuff, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I'm gonna get my ladder out of the back of the truck. I'll get up there and check out all the pipe boots. I'll take pictures of all of them, so that way you can kind of you just have a collection of evidence on what the state of them is, and then I'll talk to you about what I see, and we'll go from there. It went good. We came out here to check out a simple leak in the ceiling. We ended up tracking it down to a pipe boot. A little bit of an unfortunate situation because I had someone else come out and see this one little pipe boot leak and try to tell them they need a whole new roof. So that's why we like to do this kind of content for y'all, educate you a little bit, make sure no one's taking advantage of you, because sometimes when you don't know what's going on, someone that is untrustworthy can make a small problem and try and paint a picture that it's larger than it needs to be in your head, and cause you to spend way more money than you need to at that time. So I'm happy we were able to kind of give them more clarification on their issues. That way we can take care of it and lengthen the life of their roof without hitting them over the head with a needless replacement, like the other people were.